This refreshing tomato bread soup will have your guests feeling like they're in the south of Spain. Salmorejo is a lesser-known cousin of gazpacho, but it's thicker, smoother, and creamier. It's super simple to make. Start by pureeing the tomatoes, bread, garlic, vinegar, salt, and pepper in a blender until smooth. With the blender running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil until it's incorporated. I'm using an extra virgin olive oil with an intense green fruitiness for this recipe. Once blended, refrigerate for 1 hour covered. Garnish the soup with sliced egg, crispy fried chorizo with a little bit of its rendered fat, a drizzle of olive oil, a dust of black pepper, and some grilled bread. And here is our beautiful bowl of salmorejo. This chilled tomato bread soup is perfect for a hot summer night.